Hi student, this is section 3 of chapter 4 practical geometry. In that we are learning exercise 4.1 how to solve. Then in the question 1 quadrilateral ABCD, here AB is 4.5, BC is 5.5, CD is 4 centimeter, AD is 6 centimeter and AC is 7 centimeter. According to this measurements, I drawed one rough sketch. Go through it. A, B, C, D. In that 4.5, BC is 5.5, CD is 4 and AD is 6, and this is diagonal 7 centimeters. See here, one triangle and another one triangle with the 3 sides. Then you should go for the construction. Here first 7 centimeter, draw one 7 centimeter, 7 centimeter, that is AC, 7 centimeter. Now next one, you have to go for this line 4.5 centimeter. Then 4.5 centimeter, take 4.5 centimeter here in the compass and A as a center. Draw one line, one arc, and then 5 centimeter, 5.5, BC is 5.5, so 5.5, make another intersecting arc to that arc and then join it. Half section is over. Then next is this one 4 centimeter and this one 6 centimeter. Then I'll take 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, here 4 centimeter, make arc, and then 6 centimeter, then take 6 centimeter, make an arc and join it. And each and every time, student, each and every time you have to write here measurements. 4.5 centimeter, this point will be B, this point will be D, 5.5 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Here first question is over. Then you have to go for the second one. Now this is the second one question. Quadrilateral JUMP, where 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points are given and you have to draw this. Then this one is the rough sketch for JUMP. See here, previous one A, B, C, D, like that I am taking. Now here I am starting J from here because I want this PU as a horizontal. If I'll start J here, then this PU will be vertical. Then you can construct like that also. You have to take this vertically and then make an arc like horizontally. That will be also possible. Now this one question is same as the previous one. So I'm not taking any measurements and all things. Directly I'll explain. Suppose this one is 6.5 centimeter. This one will be PU. Then PJ or JP. You have to take 4.5 in a compass. 4.5. Suppose this is 4.5. Make arc. Now 3.5. Now 3.5. Suppose this is 3.5. Suppose, okay. I'm supposing, but you have to take at your own with the scale. Now this is 3.5. You'll get point. Join it with the scale. I am joining with hand, but you should not. Okay. Now suppose this is 4 cm. Now this will UM 4 centimeter. Suppose this is 4 centimeter. Then make arc. Then next PM. This is 5 centimeter. Okay, take suppose this is 5 centimeter, make arc and join. But see, for the second question I am not taking any measurements with the scale, but you should, and you should draw it with the scales. Okay, then third question we have to go for the third question. See, this is similar to first question, so I am not going with the measurements, but you should go with the measurements and proper scale, and you have to write this 4.5 J U M P, all the things. Then third question is what? Parallelogram MORE, where OR is 6 centimeter, RE is 4.5, EO is 7.5 centimeter. See here, 1, 2, 3. Only 3 measurements are given, and with that only you have to draw the parallelogram. Now this is the rough sketch, MORE. In that EO is 7.5 and OR is 6 centimeter, and RE is 4.5 centimeter. But students, you have to, for this question you have to know the property of parallelogram, and the property of parallelogram is that opposite sides of parallelogram are equal and parallel. Here opposite sides means ER opposite side is MO, this one, and this one will be equal, and OR opposite side is EM, this one and this one will be equal. So ER is equal to MO is equal to 4.5. So this one also 6 centimeter. This one will be 6 centimeter, and this one will be 4.5. Now you can go with the first, go like the first question only. See here, take 7.5. See, 7.5. Okay, now 7.5 is EO, 7.5 centimeter. Okay, centimeter you should mention, and EO. Now this point M we want, then 6 centimeter. See, here also 6 centimeter, here also 6 centimeter. So take one time only 6 centimeter. Okay, this is only 6 centimeter. Now 6 centimeter from the point E as a center, make one arc 6 centimeter. Now from point O also 6 centimeter. So again with the same distance make another arc. It will be easy for you. 2 times you should change the compass distance, not necessary. 6 centimeter, one time you can draw 2 arcs. Then 4.5. This is 4.5. So 4.5 with the center O. See, 4.5 intersecting arc, and now with the center E intersecting arc, and join these things. Join these points. And this point is M, this point is R, and this is 6 centimeter, this is 6 centimeter, this is 4.5, and this is 4.5 centimeter. Now this is parallelogram. With the only 3 points you can draw the parallelogram, because parallelogram property is opposite sides are equal, and already 2 sides are given. Then another 2 sides are we can calculate or we can consider it. Now fourth question, rhombus BEST. B is 4.5 centimeter, ET is 6 centimeter. Rough sketch BEST. Here 4 point BE 4.5 centimeter, and ET diagonal is given 6 centimeter. Now here rhombus is given, and only 2 properties are given. One is side and another is diagonal. See, rhombus property is all the rhombus sides are equal only. That is concurrent. Concurrent means equal. This one will be 4.5, then this one will be also 4.5. This one will be also 4.5. This one will be also 4.5 centimeter. See, BEST. Now you have to construct it. See, property of rhombus is all the sides are equal, and property of parallelograms are opposite sides are equal and parallel. Rhombus also all the sides equal, but opposite sides are parallel only. Parallel property is not necessary for this, but for your purpose only I am telling. Okay, 6 centimeter. Now 6 centimeter, take 6 centimeter. This is T point, this is E point, 6 centimeter. Now take compass and 4.5. 4.5, it is already 4.5. So 4.5, make one arc. Then another intersecting arc. Then here make one arc, another intersecting arc. Join all the things. Join. Then B, E, S, T, and all the sides are 4.5 centimeter, 4.5 centimeter, 4.5 centimeter, and 4.5 centimeter. See, this one is easy, but you should know the property of rhombus. Now this exercise 4.1 is over. Students, you have to construct all these 4 constructions in your notebooks. Thank you, students.